everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of window makeover series. So basically last year I did a video of window makeover and many of you liked it. So I thought that I should make a complete series on this topic. So let's get started with our first episode. First, before I start decorating the window, I made a quick sketch of how my window will look like. So this is the window of my studio. It's a sliding window. Here I am using some artificial plants and I am also going to use these lights. So in most of my videos I use artificial plants. So basically I am always working in my studio and it's very difficult to manage real plants. So first, to decorate the window, I am using this beautiful artificial creeper over here. After that, I was having this cute basket at home. Tying the basket in the middle using a decorative thread and now adding a flower bunch in it. The next thing that I am using are these cute white hanging baskets. I am hanging both the baskets on this wooden stick. Now using this long leaf plant for the right one. And rounded leaf plant for the left one. I was having this jute mat which I used for base. After that I used this DIY pot. I have a separate video of this DIY. So the people who have not watched this DIY, please go and watch. I will put the link in the description box below. After that, I started keeping all the plants one by one. And this was the look after adding these lights. So you can create a beautiful window makeover like this using all the things that are available at your home. and this was the episode 1 of window makeover series. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.